Okay, I am talking to Alejandra and Elizabeth. Okay, so to start with, Alejandra, I think all of yours are very sharp, and I really had to think for a while to come up with a suggestion at this point. So the two thoughts I had, um, well, this one I think is the one that sparked my thinking of simplification. So, as a copy editor type of person, I did notice that this fragment of a sentence has a capital happiness. Um, I'm not sure you need the word help. It could just say share happiness. That was my one thought. And then with that in mind, I could imagine sort of a capital S here that says share happiness. Um, and then my other thought was, how would this look instead of gray, maybe some colors? I just sort of wondered how that might come across on a social media page. One way to test if this is working is if you actually do what I think Martina did, where you take a screenshot of your Facebook page and then just stick it in there as if it was an ad. So it may or may not pop off the page. If it doesn't, try adding some color to these circles and see if that brings it in. One thing you could do is take that Facebook blue color, put it in there. Um, Running that against the red will create a real contrast for the eyes, and I think that might do it. I mean, those are really my only comments, other than I'm a little curious what it would look like with the logo, Coca-Cola logo, instead of the word Coca-Cola. But nicely done. Okay, Elizabeth, I think the white works a lot better too. I like that you made it kind of transparent. Um, I don't know if you know this or not, but a current interior design trend is working with wood paneling on the ceiling. It's called shiplap. So this actually reminded me of that because it's been on my mind lately. So that's a contemporary look for sure. All right, so I would make the iPad even bigger. And then I was looking at this. I wasn't sure what the shadows were for these two spots. It made me think maybe this isn't cut out cleanly. So I would probably find whatever is making that artifact and delete them. The other thought is the black drop shadow is something that was used a lot when this Mac was popular. So consider adding a little bit of color to those drop shadows to at least make it look a little different. And that was the same comment throughout. Also, you don't want the logo anywhere near the edges. You always want to act like it's on stage, so you give it plenty of room all the way around it. I didn't really have any other thoughts about that other than I do like the black. I think it ties it all together. But at this point, I am kind of curious how these might look in color. And if you put this like on Facebook, like I was recommending to Alejandra, will it pop off the page? And if it doesn't, would it help to make Evolve like a bright orange color? You know what I'm saying? For example. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Good work. Bye.